Why should I care about Pool Corporation, ticker symbol POOL, when you have AI stocks going crazy? There's so much volume and momentum on that side. Why should I care about a boring stock that's owned by Warren Buffett? And there's been cluster insider buying in this stock. Could this be a turnaround story now that the stock is down, I believe, 70% from its highs? Explain very quickly.
Totally get you. So even though AI stocks are soaring, Pool Corp is a steady, profitable business in a niche market, pools, especially in the US. If insiders are buying and Buffett is holding through a downturn, it might be a hidden gem, cyclical, maybe tied to housing trends. If it bounces back, you could get a big rebound. So it's a potential long-term play, even in a hot market.
So the reason why I wanted to put ticker symbol POOL on your watch list ASAP and why this is a little time sensitive is because this stock is down negative 69% from October 2021 from its highs. And look how it's approaching major support right now at this $159 a share. That's the pandemic lows at that price. And then you have the IPO anchored VWAP at $107. That's going to be major support as well. And some might argue that actually right now it's at support. This is the quarterly chart. So each candle represents 3 months. So like back here, this is 2024. Back here, this is 2019. So we're really zoomed out looking at this to get a clear picture of where major support lies. And so at the time of this recording, we're currently at $175 a share. We are at major support at this area. You can see it's finding support here. But I think that you might see possibly more institutions load up and possibly more cluster insider purchasing. So back on the 8th of this month, you had a director purchase, only $99,000 worth. But then on the 7th, you have a director purchase 1.9 million. And then another insider purchase. Then you have 1 million purchased in March, and it goes all the way back to February, where you saw a $1.2 million purchase. You also have Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway in this stock as well. And I do feel like this is a Berkshire sort of name to hold because they own so much of the market share regarding pool supplies and equipment. So Pool Corp is the world's largest wholesale distributor of swimming pool supplies and equipment, holding an estimated 38% market share in the US wholesale market based on a 5.4 million pool installed base, with significant market concentration in warm weather states like California, Texas, Florida, and Arizona. As of early 2026, they operate over 420 locations across the United States, providing extensive coverage for pool construction, maintenance, and outdoor living products. It's so funny to talk about this stock when I was just talking about Tesla yesterday. They have a PE near 411. Pool is currently $176 at the time of this recording. They have a PE near 16, and the stock is roughly 49% below its 52-week high. So that's why I'm thinking, hey, maybe this might be a good stock to at least put on our watch list, especially that we're getting so close to major support, or some might say we are at major support right now. But why is the stock dropping? Well, the core problem is not that people stopped maintaining pools. The problem is that the higher margin, more cyclical parts of the business are still weak. New pool construction, remodels, upgrades, outdoor living projects, irrigation/landscape discretionary spend in 2025. Pool said net sales were basically flat at $5.3 billion. Operating income fell 6% and EPS fell 4%. Operating expenses rose because of technology investment, sales center expansion, facility costs, wages, and inflation. The market also hated the sudden leadership change. On May 4th, Pool announced that the CEO was stepping down, and also there was a delay in their investor day, which makes investors think, hey, what don't we know? There's also balance sheet/capital allocation pressure. Inventory was up 14% year over year in Q1 2026. Debt was up to about $1.2 billion, and the company said debt helped fund $349 million of open market share repurchases over the prior 12 months. That is not automatically bad, but when earnings are flat, investors get nervous about buybacks funded with more debt. So it's a weak business, but not collapsing. This is from April 23rd when they reported net sales increased 6%, driven by strong maintenance product sales and improvement in discretionary categories. So why are insiders buying? Well, probably because Pool is not a pure new pool construction company. In 2025, management estimated that roughly 64% of pool product sales came from maintenance, 22% from renovation/remodel and only 14% from new construction. That means the stock can look horrible while the business remains very profitable because existing pools still need chemicals, parts, pumps, filters, service products, and repairs. Also, Q1 2026 was not disastrous. Sales rose 6%, operating income rose 7%, maintenance demand stayed resilient, and management confirmed full year EPS guidance of $10.87 through $11.17. That is not a collapse. It is a company stuck in a slow growth trough. So I was trying to determine if there is an easy switch that they can flip to turn these numbers around. And it seems like there are some self-controlled levers. Number one, slow expenses / let investments mature. Pool has been spending on technology, greenfield sales centers, and digital tools. Those costs hurt current margins, but management expects expense growth to moderate as prior investments lap and new locations scale. Number two, use pricing and supply chain better. They have been getting pricing benefits, supply chain benefits, private label mix improvements, and gross margin support. That can help earnings even if sales growth is weak. Number three, buy back cheap stock. The board increased the repurchase authorization to $600 million and raised the dividend by 4%. That is a strong signal that the board thinks the current stock price is attractive, but it also adds risk if earnings keep disappointing. I was talking about how Wix, ticker symbol WIX, had a huge repurchasing program announced. The stock is down, I don't know, like 50% from that announcement. So yeah, it's not a home run. And also Warren Buffett, he is cutting back a little bit from this stock. He is trimming his position. Now he is down quite a bit. Maybe he's going to load up again at a better price point. Who knows? Before we dive deeper, a quick word about our sponsor, Moomoo. The all-in-one investing app where you can buy stocks with zero commissions is currently offering 8.1% APY on your idle cash. It's FDIC insured through their partner banks, so your money stays safe while it grows. Use my link below to sign up, grab that 8.1% rate while the promotion lasts, and claim up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock. The cleanest way to think about it is, okay, what are insiders probably thinking? New pools and remodels are temporarily depressed. Maintenance is still stable. The installed base keeps growing. We are still earning around $11 a share. The stock is now near 16 times earnings instead of compounder multiple territory. If housing rates, consumer confidence normalize even a little, earnings and multiple can recover. The bear case, this is not a quick rebound. The pandemic pulled demand forward. New pool construction may stay depressed for years. Pool is carrying more inventory debt, and the CEO change makes the story less clean. So I don't know if this is true or not, but apparently Berkshire's estimated average buy price on pool is about $320 a share. And if that's true, they are down 45% on this investment. Now it's a small investment. It's a small percentage of their portfolio, but there's still this Warren Buffett effect. And you know what happened? Like, look at New York Times when Berkshire Hathaway announced that they made a position in New York Times. And I did some research on New York Times. I was like, man, it seems like such an outdated business. And then I was looking at how they're making so much money from their games and crossword puzzles. So there's always different angles, and maybe you might see Berkshire add more if it drops to this $159 share. And let's see, how far is that from here? So currently we are $174 a share now, and that is 8% away, negative 8%. But what you could do is you could set an alert for this $107 price range. That's negative 37% away from this, and get an alert and just be notified if, hey, pool is approaching major support. And I would not be surprised if you see some institutions start loading up some big hedge funds. Maybe Berkshire will buy more at this price range. But yesterday I was talking about how I'm in Tesla because I think that there is a chance that they might merge with SpaceX. I'm not heavily exposed to the stock market right now. I don't have that much in Tesla stock. I'm not in pool, but the reason why I wanted to get into Tesla is because I want some exposure in case the market just goes crazy like we saw in 1999 with this whole AI thing. Hey, with SpaceX, they're about to go public. With a stock like Pool, man, this is so much different than my sort of like the Deadnsyde type of stock. So maybe I'm looking at the S&P 500 all wrong, and really the market is not just too hot and now is the time to look for stocks that are having a pullback. But I think that if the market has a big pullback, these stocks that have been crushed are going to have a even bigger pullback. That's what I'm afraid of, because the overall market, when money's coming out of it, all of these stocks start to drop. And then if you find the stocks that have relative strength in an environment like that, then you can get into those stocks and possibly have more edge. But the best indicator that I've seen when I've back tested over the years is cluster insider purchasing. You can see heavy cluster insider buying in 2008. It's basically, there's a graph where you can see the insider selling, which is always pretty high. And then whenever the buying goes well past the selling, those have been times where the market has reversed. So that's why I wanted to put this on your watch list. Boom, you have cluster insider buying. You have Berkshire in this. Yes, they're trimming a bit, but that doesn't mean they could possibly add more. And you have this stock approaching major support. So those are 3 solid reasons on why I think ticker symbol POOL is worth your watch list. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Peace.